Right, so you can see you gotta get an open-ended socket just like the front, and we'll see what size this is. A 14. I believe that's maybe a 5 mil. Okay, it's a 5 mil. Oh, there it goes. That worked. So all I did there was put my foot on the studs, and then while putting pressure on it, I just yanked it out. Now let's go in and clean this up. Alright, I guess we can put in that rear spring. So this was pretty annoying, putting in that rear spring, but all I did was put a car jack in it and then race it on the camber arm, and then I just put rubber blocks and then spaced it out and slid the coil in. So now we got to do that for all the other sides. So I want to get off this dust shield, so I'm gonna drill that little hole. So once you remove that dust shield, you're going to cut right here and keep this top half. So yeah, there should be a little washer here that I just banged out with the vise. So here's the orientation of what goes on what. So you got that bumper stop, the washer, this boot, another fat washer, the bushing, this rubber bushing or whatever. I'll link the video down below. That really helped me, but with 19 mil wrench. Everything is still tight. This axle always pops out, but it's not too hard to put back in. Okay. So now we're gonna put on this hat. Okay. You just gotta rotate the axle. Don't panic, because it just takes some time to get in. It's almost done. There it goes. Okay. Put some anti-seize on these bolts. Or clip that in, and I'm putting this in the reverse way because these threads are kind of screwed up from factory, so it really doesn't even matter. But okay,